Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and volatility and step index strategy on different strategy and how it can help you guys to trade successful in trading boom and crash. Today we have another wonderful strategy for you guys, which this strategy is working on volatility 10, and you can use it on 5-minute time frames. So we explain how this strategy really works in this video, so I want you guys to watch this video to the end. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when we drop another wonderful strategy for you guys. So today, as you can see, this is volatility of 10, and we have on 5-minute time frames, and this is our main chart, and this is our strategy that we are using to trade this index. So let me show you the settings of this strategy before I told you guys how this strategy really works. The first thing that you need is your envelope, which you are going to be adding it on your main charts. And inside our envelope, you have our period of 50 or 500. We have our shift to be 0. We have our divisional to be 0.0.50. See that 0.050. We have our method to be simple. We have our apply to close, and we have our two color here. You see, we don't have any level. You just press on done, and after that, then you click on this F button again to add this another indicator window. So you are going to be checking indicator window, and you are going to be seeing this what we have here as our average directional movement index. So that is the second indicator that you are going to be adding. And if you check that, we are having the period of 100, and we are having our first style to be in white color, which is the back color of our background. So you can choose any of your color here, and you can choose any of your color here. So but this one must be in your background color. So if you are using black color, if you are using black as your background, make sure you have black color at this particular area too. So then you press on done, then you move to your main chart. So let me explain how this strategy really works. As you can see, this is our envelope. We have our envelope of blue, and we have our envelope of red. You see, this is the work of this envelope. This envelope always try to explain the trend of the market for us. As you can see here, if you see the envelope that is moving above the trend, you see is the market is an uptrend, and even if it's moving on the above area, which means the trade is moving on a downtrend. So that's exactly how this strategy really works. You see, now from this particular moment, now we see that our envelope is crossing the price is crossing the price on a downtrend, which is indicate to us that this market is going to be an uptrend before there is a reverse. So that is the importance of the envelope on the main chart. So it helps you to show you the trend of the market. It show you the trend of the market. So guys, let me tell you how you can use this strategy to work things out and to catch up a trade successfully. So what we are having here is our average directional index, which we are having here, and we are having our two color here. We have the yellow 9 and we have the blue 9. So what we are checking out is anytime we are having our blue 9 that is crossing on a downtrend, it's giving us a uptrend signal. And anytime we are having our blue that is crossing on a downtrend, is giving us our uptrend signal. You see, it's giving us an uptrend signal. And anytime we are having this blue on the uptrend, is crossing it on the uptrend, we are having a downtrend. Let me show you more example of what I mean by that. If you see that anytime we are having our blue 9 that is crossing over, it's giving us a downtrend. So it's just like word and opposite. If you have your blue on a downtrend, it means the market is on it's going on the uptrend. And if you have it on the upper area, it means the market is going on a what, on a downtrend. So that is very simple. So guys, let me just explain how this strategy really works before you see. Now, one thing you need to understand about market, about trading volatility of 10 is that the price will always move. That's it. The price will always move. This is not a boom and crash index. You see, the way boom and crash index really trade in market is different. But when we come to volatility of 10 in 5 minute time frames, you will always see that the price will always keep is moving on the what, on his trend. If it give you, if it's on the uptrend, you will see it will always keep on moving on the uptrend. And if it's on a downtrend, it's going to what, is going to come on a downtrend. If there's a reverse, you see the movement it take and what, a uptrend from this level, you keep on taking it until you have a what, a rejection zone at this area, and it reject it to this level, and it break it up again. Not like boom and crash that always spike down or up, or begin to giving a different format of what, of trading. You see that? So let me tell you guys now, I told you guys that anytime we are having our blue that is crossing our what, our is crossing over the what, the yellow line on a downtrend, it means we are having a what, we are having our what, our uptrend. You see, at this particular moment, you can discover that it's break it up to this particular moment, and this will be your what, your confirmation area, because you can see likely that the blue have already leave that what, that yellow line, and it's coming on a downtrend. You have already see it clear. So what you just need to do is to wait for that for this price, which is giving us an uptrend here, to reach your what, your envelope red line. Once it reach your envelope red line from this aspect, then this will be your what, your entry. This area will be your entry, because it's reaching your what, it's reaching your red line at this particular moment. Then you take up your what, your trade. You can exist at this particular time, or you wait for the reverse of the market before giving us another confirmation. You see, it gives us another confirmation at this particular area. Give us another confirmation at this particular area, despite the fact that there is a reverse in the market, but it still give us about another assurance at this particular area. You see that? So it give us another uptrend here, and it reach this upper area. So you need to set up your what, your stop loss at this particular areas, and make sure you work with what, with management. Make sure you don't risk your accounts too much on this. So you see, same thing always happen in the market, and you see now currently now we are having same method at this particular area. You see that moment, you see that area too. So what you just need is that we can see that our blue line is crossing it over on a uptrend, which means we are having a what, a downtrend, and that is exactly what you want to catch. Now what you need to do is to wait for that market. You know, there is a reverse in the market, and it's trying to give you a confirmation from this area, and once you have it, you just wait to that your price reach your what, your blue line. Once it reach your blue line, then you are safe to enter the trade. And once you enter the trade, you can keep on what, taking down the what, the trade, until you discover that this your blue line is what, is forming another closing with the what, with the yellow line. You see, that's exactly the right time for you to what, to exist the market. So don't forget guys, I told you guys that you need to watch, you anytime you are having your blue line crossing on a downtrend, it means that your market is going on a what, on the uptrend. And anytime you are seeing your blue line that is crossing on the upper side, it means the market is on a what, on a downtrend. So guys, so if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. And also you can also like and comment on this video. We have our mentorship that is running, and you can also join the plan for mentorship, most especially for beginners who want to learn more on trading boom and crash, our volatility more successful in market. So this is the best time for you guys to what, to train yourself, and to what, to make sure that you what, you know more about how these things really works. Thanks.